On whom Qurbani is wajib? Do you think Qurbani is only for the rich? In Islam, Qurbani becomes wajib on every adult, sensible Muslim men and women who owns wealth equal to or above the Nisab beyond their basic expenses. Today, Nisab is commonly measured by the value of 52.5 tola silver. In Pakistan, the price of 52.5 tola silver is approximately between 4 to 5 lakh rupees, depending on market rates. So if your total savings and assets reach this amount after your basic expenses, Qurbani becomes wajib on you. Qurbani is not just an act. It is obedience to Allah and following the sunnah of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Take a moment and check your finances. You may already be obligated. Share this message so others can benefit too. Follow our Nurani Qaida 315 YouTube channel.